Innovation is really at the core of everything that we do at Giraffe. It really underpins the entire business. Giraffe is a manufacturer of custom flavor solutions, providing products across a variety of sectors of the food industry. We specialize in manufacturing sauces, dips, dressings, and other liquid food products that add value for our customers, creating unique flavor solutions to meet the needs of their customers. The way our customers see us is as an extension of their R&D team, as an extension of their business.
We serve all channels throughout the food industry. We serve food service customers, which are the national restaurant chains that you find across North America and the world. We serve retail customers where you would find a bottle on a store shelf, and then home meal replacement, which we would consider everything from the deli counter to the frozen case and even to the fresh case. Our custom flavor solutions can be used across a wide variety of applications, from a dip for a chicken wing, a glaze for ribs, dressings for salad, or even icings for your favorite baked good. Really, the sky's the limit of what we can do in terms of flavor.
Like a protein, a starch, and a vegetable, which is a meal, is really just a blank canvas. What we supply is the paint, and what we create is the artistry, which makes the meal into a masterpiece.
Our partnership starts at ideation with our customers. We want to brainstorm with them. We want to understand what they're doing, what they want to present to their consumers in the market, and use our consumer knowledge to really help them be on trend or ahead of trend. This starts with technology and asking the right questions. What ingredients can we use? What shelf life do they need? And understanding what they need to make their product successful. We can do everything from kosher certification to halal certification, non-GMO project verified, all the way through to gluten-free certified and vegan certified.
At GiraffeFoods, we have a broad range of processing and packaging capabilities. So we have hot and cold blending capabilities. So we can have portion pouches, large pouches, cups, bottles, jugs, jars, totes, drums, pails, and bag-in-the-box.
What makes Giraffe different is the partnership that we provide to our customers. Number one, it starts with innovation, and then we have to combine that innovation with capability, and then we layer on top of that agility. So if we can provide our customers with innovation, capability, and agility to meet their needs in a timely fashion, that's kind of the holy grail, I think, for custom manufacturers, and we've covered those off.
Our biggest competitive advantage is our speed to market and our ability to be agile with our customers. We listen to what they want, we work directly alongside them, from everything from ideation right through to commercialization.
Food innovation is always amazing by bringing the food science piece and the culinary art piece together. And by combining the two, you're always creating very delicious products and giving your end consumers a very different eating experiences.
Our Culinary Innovation Center is second to none and really highlights for our customers the commitment that we have to innovation and R&D support. It's a state-of-the-art facility in which customers can come in and work with our chefs, work with our food scientists to really hone in on exactly what they're looking for from a product standpoint, for customers to come and experience our passion for food and to take a little peek behind the curtain so they can really understand how we execute on our mandate to create incredible, delicious flavor solutions for our customers.
We've been consistently and regularly investing in our manufacturing capabilities. It allows us to increase our food safety, to increase our capacity, and drive down costs.
And more than that, it's about investing in state-of-the-art equipment. Like, we want to have the best of the best. Most recently, we've built out a second manufacturing facility. We've also added a number of technological improvements to our packaging lines to really increase efficiencies.
From a capital investment perspective, there are a couple of key areas we have recently invested in. First is our pouch filling. We've just installed and commissioned 2 new fillers, and that's given us a 40% increase in capacity. Secondly, we've just invested in a high-speed cup filling line with a fully automatic robotic packaging station. That enables us to produce a significant amount of additional cups per year at a fraction of the labor cost.
There are a number of different growth catalysts within our industry, and we're perfectly positioned to really capitalize on those. There's the movement to better for you foods in general, including organic and non-GMO. There's this desire for more customized flavor solutions.
We're no longer a society of 2 to 3 condiments in your fridge. Now we want new, unique, innovative. We want something different, customized, and Giraffe is able to meet that need and desire and demand from our customers and end consumers.
We seem to be at this amazing precipice where home meal replacement, meal delivery kits, and ghost kitchens are coming to the forefront, which is changing the landscape of the way the food industry has operated. GiraffeFoods' versatile packaging capabilities and database of flavors will deliver in all of these channels.
Our 5-year strategic plan is to more than double, and then I'd like to do it all again in under 10.
GiraffeFoods is really about community, relationships, and experience. That's really where we see ourselves in the food industry.